Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DPW. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that's where these green and red line annotations are coming from, but definitely want to get the chart updated here. As the bulls, I mean, they didn't have a huge monster day, but they're definitely still making progress in the upwards direction, and they're getting closer and closer to doing battle with this area of resistance right here, which I've talked about in several past videos. And slow but sure, I mean, like I said, the price is making progress up there, and this level is right around the 407 mark, 405, 406, 407, whatever you want to call it. I mean, we're talking about pennies here, but that's, you know, the hurdle that knocked it down on this bounce right here. And, you know, the price, like I said, is getting closer. Still work to be done. Price has still got to make a little bit of progress, but it's definitely, you know, getting within the realm of possibility where it's not really illogical to say, hey, the price could definitely do battle with that. Case in point, you know, when the price was down at this part of the chart, you know, did it really make sense to say, hey, the next day the price could test that? Sure, I mean, I guess it could go all the way up there, but that was still a pretty big distance. Here, not a very big distance. It becomes very rational now to wonder if the price can push through this level of resistance going into tomorrow. So we'll see what happens in regards to that. As far as levels of support are concerned, you know, just keep on doing what it's been doing. That's really kind of the easiest way to summarize this. What do I mean by keep on doing what it's been doing? Well, it's got everything to do with these lows have been. So, I mean, the price went that low right there. Then the lowest it could go is right there. Now the new low is right around here. So as long as these lows keep creeping up further and further, that's setting things up from a bullish perspective. So not a whole lot else to say other than those small little things. However, those small little things can turn out to be a pretty big difference, because if the price can get a nice break through that level of resistance, then I'm not saying it's guaranteed or anything like that, but the price, you know, heading up to right around this $5 region, you know, could certainly happen sooner than later. But, you know, the one step at a time, that first big step is breaking through that red line resistance there. And like I said, the price is now within striking distance. So we'll see how this continues to unfold. The week is young, still 4 days left. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.